Hello students, this is the way you log on to Canvas. Let me show you how. First, you have to go to your browser. You can open up Google Chrome, go up to the address bar and type in sac.edu. You do that, it's going to take you to the SAC homepage, and you're going to notice that there's a link, Canvas, right up here. So you click in there. Once you do that, you'll notice the yellow button right in the center of your website here. Click on that. And then you're going to go over to username and type in your username, which is your Web Advisor ID. Then your password from your Web Advisor, it's the same one. Then click on Login. Once you log in, you'll see your dashboard. Your dashboard is over here. And if you look or scroll down the web page, you'll notice that you'll have different courses depending on how many you registered for. So you look through there and you find the course that you signed up for. In this case, publisher, which is VBUS 245. You can click on there and that'll get you to the course.